Greetings, family. I have a surprise. I finally made it to Express Tailoring and Fashion Store. The happy companion, he is here on the spot. Look, showing his Long Beach gear off. I think he might be selling that here soon, too. So we're going to go inside and see some of his custom items. We have the number here for those of you who want to order and come support the store. 220-794-0884. Come to the Happy Companion Express Tailoring and Fashion Store in Jambanjelly. This is my first time to Jambanjelly, so I'm excited. This is the area. Not a whole lot of traffic in this area, which is kind of cool. Once you get away from Turntable, you can find it easily. And look how nice. It's so cool. It's like a different vibe when you walk in here. Right, he got the fans going. He has all the clothing items, the tailored items, as well as just pieces. He got jeans. You know, folks love jeans. And items are beautiful. I thought these were really cute. Are those shorts or is that like a skirt with like a romper?
It's like it's a dress, and you got a split in here.
Right.
Tailor's made, and then that's the top of it.
Very cute. The ruffle top. Now the piece next to it is the one I was talking about.
Oh, this one. Oh,
is that shorts or is that like a skirt?
It's a skirt.
Okay, it's like a romper skirt.
Like
the straps. Yeah, very cute.
Sorry about the video, the picture. Maybe I put a T-shirt over there or something.
No. Okay. Oh, look, I forgot. Right.
Yeah, but it's okay.
We're going to move along. We're all mature adults.
Exactly,
we can handle it. We got pink and green top with embroidery. I'm going to go around so we can see that one. This way you can see the pink and green dress from my sorors. The green embroidery around the neckline. I like that. Really nice. And then we have this one and some more custom items here. Oh, I like this one. I think this is like a wax print. And his prices are very reasonable. Really nice. And this is a cute top. Look at this one with the ruffle sleeve. Oh, I like this too. You know I like everything tie-dye. You can tell I'm like a 60s baby, right? I love all the tie-dye stuff. And he has stuff for the brothers as well.
Yeah,
right? Here's his shirts for the men. Nice.
Men and women all here.
Very nice.
My tailors made these. Of course, and,
almost flipped the phone. Trying to grab it. Mm-hmm.
These are bought. We bought these. All these are not secondhand. They new clothes.
Okay.
And they imported in. And yeah.
All right. Nice.
They make these dresses.
Nice.
Yeah.
So you know, the only problem I have with African dresses is you need to come and give your measurements.
Yeah.
Because a lot of this stuff it's made very close cut. So if you're not used to that. You feel like you're walking like this because it's fitting so close. So when you get it custom made, you can tell them how you need it made so that you're comfortable in it. But it's a great spot, nice paint job, and it has that, African traditional touch. I love the timbers and the galvanized ceiling. Like I could imagine being in here working and the rain falling and you just hearing that little pitter-patter while you get your creativity on. Nice spot, y'all. So we're going to wrap it up. Come check out THC's Fashion Express. Blessings.